Hi, I'm Darren from Safety Dave, and today I'm going to show you how to code a TPMS sensor into the monitor. Turn the monitor on, and then you're going to fully depress the code button. After fully depressing the code button, you'll see position 1 triple F. That means there's an uncoded sensor. To code the sensor now, we've got to slightly press the code button and you'll see a red light come on. When the red light comes on, you just jiggle the sensor above the screen, and there you go, you've coded the sensor. To code the next sensor, just press the plus button and you'll go to the next position, slightly depress the code button, and there you go, you've coded the sensor. To set that in place, fully depress the code button, and now you've set your monitor. Turn it back on and you'll see the sensors in place. Thank you.